Welcome to the Smart Way Learning with AI. Don't forget to like and share the video. And subscribe to YouTube channel. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional currencies issued and regulated by governments and central banks, cryptocurrencies rely on cryptographic techniques to secure transactions, control the creation of new units, and verify the transfer of assets. Here are some key characteristics and components of cryptocurrencies. 1. Blockchain technology. Most cryptocurrencies operate on blockchain technology. A blockchain is a distributed and decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers, nodes. Each block on the blockchain contains a list of transactions, and once a block is added, it becomes a permanent and unchangeable part of the chain. 2. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are typically decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any central authority or government. Instead, they rely on a network of nodes that work together to validate and secure transactions through a consensus mechanism, often proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS. 3. Cryptography. Cryptography is used to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Public and private cryptographic keys are used to send and receive cryptocurrencies. The public key, also known as the wallet address, is visible to others and used for receiving funds, while the private key is kept secret and used to sign transactions to prove ownership. 4. Limited supply. Many cryptocurrencies have a predefined maximum supply, which creates scarcity and can influence their value. For example, Bitcoin has a cap of 21 million coins, making it deflationary. 5. Pseudonymity. Transactions made with cryptocurrencies are usually pseudonymous, meaning that the identities of the parties involved are not directly tied to their public wallet addresses. However, the blockchain's transparent nature means that all transactions are publicly recorded. 6. Use cases. Cryptocurrencies have various use cases, including medium of exchange. Some cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, aim to be digital alternatives to traditional currencies for everyday transactions. Store of value. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are often considered digital stores of value, similar to gold, and some investors use them as a hedge against inflation or economic uncertainty. Smart contracts. Some cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum, support smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with predefined rules and conditions that facilitate various applications and automated processes. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Cryptocurrencies have given rise to decentralized financial applications that aim to provide financial services without intermediaries, such as lending, borrowing, and trading. 7. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility. Their values can experience significant fluctuations due to various factors, including market sentiment, regulatory developments, technological advancements, and macroeconomic trends. It's important to note that the cryptocurrency space is dynamic, and new cryptocurrencies with varying features and use cases continue to emerge. Additionally, the regulatory environment surrounding cryptocurrencies may differ across countries and can impact their adoption and usage. As with any financial asset, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and exercise caution when dealing with cryptocurrencies.